Hello students, let's continue some more examples of Diophantine equation. Example, show that all solutions of 3x plus 5y is equal to 1 can be written in the form x equal to 2 plus 5t, y equal to minus 1 minus 3t. Also in the form x equal to 2 minus 5t, y equal to minus 1 plus 3t. Also in the form x equal to minus 3 plus 5t, y equal to 2 minus 3t. T belongs to set of integer. Solution. Given Diophantine equation is (3x plus 5y is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 1. Here, the GCD of a and b is what? GCD of 3 and 5, it is 1 and 1 divides 1. Therefore, given equation 3x plus 5y equal to 1 has solution. Exists. Therefore, consider this A, B, 1, 0, 0, 1, that is 3, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, this will give C2 minus 2C1 will be 3, 1, 0 as it is, minus 1, minus 2 and 1. Then, C1 plus 3C2 will be 0, minus 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and 1. Therefore, consider the system this 0, minus 1, minus 5, minus 2, 3 and 1. UV is equal to 1, x and y. So this gives us v is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 5u minus 2v and y is equal to 3u plus v. That is same as v is equal to minus 1, x is minus 5u plus 2 and y is 3u plus 1. If this u belongs to what set of integer? If u equal to minus t, where t is in set of integer, then x equal to 5t plus 2 and y equal to 3t plus 1. Okay. If u is minus t plus 1, t is in z, then x is minus 5t minus 3, and y is, what is y? Minus 3t plus 2. Again, if u is t, then x is minus 5t plus 2 and y is 3t minus 1. Here also t is in z. T is in z, then this one. T is in z, then. Okay, this is the solution. And we can form this type of solutions also. This is about this example. Now let's go for the next example. Some word problems which can be reduced into Diophantine equation, and we can easily determine the solutions for them. Let's do that one. So example, divide the number 100 into 2 positive sums and 2 positive sums such that 2 positive sums such that one is divisible by 11 and other is divisible by 7. Okay, now solution. Suppose 100 divide into, now one is divisible by 11, other is divisible by 7. So suppose 100 divide into 11x and 7y. Therefore 11x plus 7y is equal to what? 100, which is Diophantine equation, in x and y. Here A is 11, B is 7 and C is 100. Also GCD of A and B, that is GCD of 11 and 7 is 1 and 1 divides 100. 1 divides what? 100. Therefore the equation 11x plus 7y equal to 100 is solvable. Therefore consider this matrix AB 1 0 0 1, that is 11 7 1 0 0 1. So here let's do the operation. C1 minus 2 C2, so minus 3 1 minus 2 7 0 1. Then C2 plus 2 C1, so here minus 3 1 minus 2 1 2 3. Then again C1 plus 3C2. So here 0, 7, minus 11, 1, 2, 3. Then 0, 1, 7, 2, minus 11, 3. Minus 11 and 3 into UV is equal to 100 x and what y. So this gives V is equal to 100, x is equal to 7u plus 2v, y is equal to minus 11u. This will be, sorry, here it will become minus 3. This is, here itself it will become minus 3, so minus 3 will be there. Okay, sorry for that, here minus 3, so minus 3v. Okay, so this gives V is equal to 100, x is equal to 7u plus 200 and y is equal to minus 11u minus 300, where u is in set of integer. For x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, therefore 7u plus 200 is greater than 0 and minus 11u minus 300 is greater than 0. That is, u is greater than minus 200 by 7 and u is less than minus 300 by 11. That is, u is greater than minus 28.5 and u is less than minus 27.2. That is, minus 28.5 less than u less than minus 27.2. That is, u equal to what? Minus 28. If u is minus 28, put up that one here, we get, therefore we get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. Thus if we divide 100 into 2 parts, that are 44. I will put x here, 11 for the 44 and 8 here, so it will be 56, such that 11 divides 44 and 8 divides what? 56 is the required, sorry, 7 divides 7, we should write 7 divides 56 is the required condition will satisfy. Now let's go for the next example. If a cock worth 5 coins, a hen 3 coins and 3 chickens together with 1 coin, then how many cocks, hens and chickens totaling totaling 100 can be bought for 100 coins. Solution: let x be the number of cocks, y be the number of hens, and z be the number of chickens. Okay. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to what? 100. Call it as equation number 1. And another condition is 5x plus 3y plus 1 by 3z is equal to what? 100. That is 15x plus 9y plus z is equal to 300. Call it as equation number 2. Now do 2 minus 1 gives 14x plus 8y is equal to what? 200. That is 7x plus 4y is equal to what? 100, which is a Diophantine equation. A is equal to 7, B is equal to 4, and C is what? 100. Therefore, GCD between A and B is GCD between 7 and 4. And that is what? 1. And 1 divides 100. Therefore, given equation is solvable. Given equation is what? Solvable. Okay. Now consider this 741001, that is AB1001. So reduce it into required form, some simplified form. C1 minus 2 C2 will be minus 1 1 minus 2. This is 4 0 1. Then C2 plus 4 C1 will gives us minus 1 1 minus 2. This is 0 4 minus 7. Okay. Then we get minus 1 0 1 4 minus 2 minus 7 into UV is equal to 100 x and what? Y. So this gives minus u is equal to 100, x is equal to u plus 4v, and y is equal to minus 2u minus 7v. Okay. That is u equal to minus 100, x equal to minus 100 plus 4v, y equal to 200 minus 7v, where v belongs to set of integer. For x positive and y positive, we get this 4v minus 100 is positive and 200 minus 7v is also what? Positive. So this gives v is greater than 25 and v is less than 28.57. So this gives 25 less than v less than 28.57. This implies v is equal to 26, 27 and 28. So if v is 26, what is x? Then x equal to, put it here, it will be 4. Y is, from y we get it is 18. And what about z? Z is, if we put them here, x plus y plus z will be there. So it is how much? 78. Then again, if v is 27, then x is equal to 8, y is equal to 11 and z is equal to what? 81. If v is equal to 28, then x is equal to 12, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to what? 84. These are the positive integers, or these are the possible cocks, hens and chickens which can satisfy this condition. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Example: a customer bought a dozen pieces of fruits, apples and oranges for rupees 132. If an apple cost rupees 3 more than an orange and more apples than oranges were purchased. Then how many pieces of each kind were bought? Solution: suppose x is number of apples and y is number of oranges. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 12, a dozen pieces of fruits. So, it is equation number 1. Let z be the cost of an orange. Therefore, z plus 3 be the cost of an apple. x into z plus 3 plus yz is equal to 132. Apples, oranges as such. So xz plus 3x plus yz is equal to 132. Therefore, x plus y into z plus 3x is equal to 132. This gives 12z plus 3x is equal to 132. That is 4z plus x is equal to what? 44. We get this is a Diophantine equation. Diophantine equation. Therefore, A is equal to 4, B is equal to what? 1, C is what? 44. Here, GCD between A and B is what? GCD between 4 and 1 is 1 and 1 divides 44. Therefore, given equation is solvable. Given equation is solvable. Therefore, consider four 1 1 0 0 1. Then C1 minus 4C2 will give us 0 1 minus 4 1 0 1. Therefore, the system 0 1 1 0 minus 4 1 into UV is equal to what? Is equal to 44 z and what? X. So this gives us V equal to 44, z equal to U and x equal to minus 4u plus V. Now V is 44. So this gives again V is 44, Z is U and X is what? Minus 4U plus 44. This U belongs to what? Set of integer. Now this U lies between, what is U? U is for, it is an integer. So this U is in between 0 to 11. 0 less than U less than what? 11. U belongs to what? Set of integer. This implies U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and what? 10. So if U equal to 1, X is what? X will be 40 and Z is what? 1. If U equal to 2, X is 36 and Z is also what? 2. If U is 3, then X is 32 and Z is 3. If U equal to 4, X is 28 and Z is equal to 4. If U is 5, X is 24 and Z is equal to 5. If U is 6, X is 20 and Z will be what? 6. If U is 7, X will be 16 and z is what? 7. If u is 8, x is equal to 12 and z is what? 8. Okay. Again, if u is 9, x is equal to 8 and z is what? 9. If u is 10, x will be 4 and z will be what? 10. Thus we have to purchase 8 apples. Out of all these here, z is 9, x is 8. What about y? Y will be, here we get y is equal to what? 4. X, y and z we get here. So y will be what? 4 here, and here y is what? 8. So thus we have to purchase 8 apples and 4 oranges, such that our condition is that the number of apples should be more than the oranges. That's why we will take this one. So x will be apples, y will be oranges. So here we should take this one, this pair. So here 8 apples and 4 oranges, such that the total cost is rupees 132. As such, we can solve some word problems also using Diophantine equation. So here we will stop for this video. In next video we will start a Pythagorean triplet. Thank you.